Now that we have configured the waterfall listing view to show waterfalls using the waterfall listing display view mode we had created earlier, one thing we're noticing is that the images themselves are not consistent in their appearance. So this video, we're going to show a very useful technique called image styles so that every waterfall image can show up as a 500 by 500 pixel square for consistency. So to do that, let's visit in a new page in the admin toolbar, hover over configuration, then media, and then click on image styles. Again, because that's how I like to do things, I'm going to open this up in a new tab. And we'll see here are the image styles that come by default with Drupal. We had used this thumbnail 100 by 100 image style previously. So what we're going to do is we are going to add a new image style. So click this button. And let's give it a practical name, something like 500 by 500, 500 x 500 space square. When you've typed that out, click on Create New Style. Here is the overview of the image style page. What we need to do is we're going to add a new effect called Scale and Crop. Experiment with these other styles if you wish to. For us, let's select Scale and Crop. Click Add. And we just want to simply type in 500 by 500 pixels. We're going to anchor it to the middle of the image. Click Add Effect. The image effect was successfully applied. So now if I view actual size, here's the sample. If I view the square, here's what it's going to convert to. Okay, so click on Save just to reconfirm that we've created a 500 x 500 square image effect. And now what we can do is let's go to the area that manages the configuration for this image, which happens to be the Manage Display for the waterfall listing display. So to get here, Structure, Content Types, Waterfall, Manage Display, and then make sure to select the Waterfall Listing Display subtab. When you're here, click on Manage Layout. And let's find the waterfall image field. Again, if this checkbox is selected, you'll see something, sample images. I prefer not to view the content preview just simply because I think it's messy. So I'll unselect this. For the waterfall image field, highlight the contextual menu and then click on Configure. To the right-hand side here, this menu, all we need to change is the image style from medium, which we had set originally, and let's change it to the newly created 500 x 500 square image style and click Update. We have unsaved changes. Make sure to click Save Layout. And now if we go back to our waterfall listing page, from the home page, click on Waterfall Listing. Beautiful! Here are the waterfalls displayed in a 500 by 500 square image. And the nice thing about this theme is that it's responsive. So this looks great. Well done on completing the essence of this waterfall handbook site. Be proud of your efforts, and I'm very happy for you to have finished. Congratulations.